to show you how to play games on your iPhone or iPad that usually you can't really play. First, on the Safari, type in EMU for iOS.net. Search. Now it should bring you here. You're supposed to be on an iPhone, but since I can't really record on my iPhone, I'm gonna do it on the computer. So, but if you go on your iTouch and search it, then you want to put in the address and you'll be here. Next, you want to change your date to 2012. Once you're done with that, you want to get any of these. You could get record my screen, and if you get this one, then it's a Nintendo DS emulator, so you could play Pokemon on that. And you could do all this stuff, like if you got this one, you could do that, you could do Game Boy. There's all this cool stuff on this website, so I just thought I'd show it to you, and comment, like, and subscribe.